Aquarium 1 contains 4.6 gallons of water. Louise will begin filling Aquarium 1 at a rate of 1.2 gallons per minute. Aquarium 2 contains 54.6 gallons of water. Isaac will begin draining Aquarium 2 at a rate of 0.8 gallon per minute. After how many minutes will both aquariums contain the same amount of water? For this problem, we will highlight Aquarium 1, 4.6 gallons of water. Louise will begin filling the Aquarium 1 at a rate of 1.2 gallons per minute. We also have Aquarium 2 contains 54.6 gallons of water. Isaac will begin draining the Aquarium 2 at a rate of 0.8 gallons per minute. In the question, I see my word. After how many minutes will both aquariums contain the same amount of water? Referring back to our vocabulary, every time you see a question such as this with a bunch of vocabulary that you remember or recognize, we will remember that for slope, you have your words each, every, per, and whatever number is closest to this word is what will indicate your slope, meaning the number that will have an x. Your y-intercept is identified with the word start, initial, fee, or has. And any word that says plus, and, or additional may indicate adding. And draining, leaving, spending, uses, and below may indicate subtracting. So keeping that in mind, in this question, I see the word filling. Filling indicates plus. I see the word per, indicating my slope. The closest number to that word or that per is 1.2, meaning 1.2 is my slope. In the second sentence or second set, I see the word draining, which indicates minus, and per, which indicates my slope. The number closest to the word per is 0.8, which means this number is my slope. In the question, the word same indicates an equal sign. Knowing I have two subjects, Aquarium 1 and Aquarium 2, and the word same, I know I'm going to have to do an equation with expressions on two sides. I have my equal sign in the middle, and on one side, I have Aquarium 1, and on the other side, I have Aquarium 2. For Aquarium 1, I have the word, or pardon, the number 1.2 and 4.6. My slope we already identified with our word per, meaning it's 1.2. So 1.2 has an x. And in that same sentence, we find our word filling, which we know is plus, making that plus sign come with 1.2. So our Aquarium 1 equation is 4.6 plus 1.2x. In Aquarium 2, we have the number 54.6 and 0.8. We've also already identified our slope with our word per, and we know that per is next to 0.8, indicating this is my slope. Therefore, 0.8 has an x. And in that same sentence, we see the word draining. We know draining is minus. Therefore, minus will come with 0.8. Meaning our equation for Aquarium 2 will read as 54.6 minus 0.8x. Once you're here, your next step will be to change your variables. Instead of x, put v. And instead of our equal sign, we're going to use tilde. So our new equation or expression will be 4.6 plus 1.2v tilde 54.6 minus 0.8 V. Once we're here, our final step will be to put it in decimals, exactly the same. So 4.6 plus 1.2 V tilde 54.6 minus 0.8 V. Decimals gives our answer as 25, making our final answer C.